Hey, it's Aleppo time. And you probably can't hear it, but I got construction going on in the front of the house. And I've decided these guys have been working so hard. And in these hard times, I'm going to use my cooking talents and make them lunch. BBQ chicken, some homemade green beans, some corn on the cob. You know, just to say thank you because they've taken care of me and done a great job in my yard. And, well, y'all get to see how good my cooking is from Ketch. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Lunch is going to be served at noon. Green beans, frozen green beans, sauteed some bacon, give it some of that hickory bacon flavor, some cloves of garlic, some garlic powder, some Worcestershire, and 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. We're going to let this simmer. I'll chop up some onions in a little bit, but this is going to simmer for a couple hours. Number 1. Number 2, corn on the cob. Yes, it is set and ready to go. It has 1 cup of butter, a little bit of brown sugar, hint, some thyme, and this stuff is going to simmer as well till noon. A whole dozen of chicken wings, 24 drumsticks, and 16 thighs. I'm going to season them and get them into the oven to begin the barbecue process. My barbecue pit's not firing up, so I gotta go to plan B. So a couple hints on the way. Chicken wings, they're white meat. I've seasoned them with any kind of flavor, that you like. But because they're white meat, they're going to cook differently than dark meat. So I'm going to cook these all separately. I am brushing them with some vegetable oil. I'm going to let them crisp up and get all done, about 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And then we'll sauce them. Yeah. Into the oven they go. Out of them. Now for the dark meat. I'm going to use this big pan and just pour all of my meat into this pan. Why? Because these are some big chicken thighs and I want to season them before getting them into the oven. Since this is all dark meat, I'm going to need something to tenderize it. And so I am going to use something natural, like an acid from a lemon. I'm going to take the zest of a lemon and then I'm going to mix the lemon juice with some olive oil, some seasonings, and let that marinate and stew for a bit before it goes into the oven. Using my gloves, mix it all together. Watch. Lots of juice. Got some of my special seasoning. Do whatever you want. The important part that I want you to know about is about the lemon. The lemon is a natural tenderizer and it'll tenderize this meat. So you want to get it all nice and coated. See, like this. We're just going to let this sit. Put more juice. Ta-da! Just let it sit for about 30 minutes. Remember, use any seasoning you like. The important part is to have an acid to break down and tenderize the dark meat. I've got about 20 pieces of chicken between legs and thighs here. They're going to be sitting for about 15-30 minutes, and then they're going to go in the oven for barbecuing. The wings. They are ready to have the sauce put on them. I'm just going to take your favorite kind of sauce, and we are just going to massively cover. There is no right or wrong way to do the sauce. Put as much on there as you like. Hear the sizzling. And this is a hickory. You could use jar sauce. Turn them all around and lather them up. And then we can start with the dark meat. You take on too much, I dropped half the chicken in the yard. Thank goodness not all the chicken fell. I'm not gonna serve that. Luckily I have another tray. Put it out. They ate everything within 15 minutes. The chicken, the corn on the cob, the green beans, the coleslaw. I did good. I did good. Look at this. They have wiped it out. All of it. The corn on the cob. And look. Just remnants of the green beans. They were so appreciative. But now it's going to be time for the big surprise that they don't know was coming. Ta-da! The coconut lime tres leche cake. Cream cake. Covered in toasted coconut. These guys deserve it.